Hi, this is Trevor with Habit Catalyst. Today I'm going to take you through a few features of Habit Catalyst and show you how valuable this software can be for you and your clients. The first is our homepage. It's the client page. This allows you to see all your clients in a snapshot. It allows you to see what habit they're on, how well they're doing in the current habit, and also how well they're doing overall. This is also the spot where you would add a new client and place them into a suite. Another cool function of Habit Catalyst is what we call groups. This allows you to take all of your clients and split them into smaller groups if you'd like. Maybe it's a challenge, maybe it's a fat loss accountability group, but you can see all those clients in one group and how well they're doing. One thing that's different about this page, or that will be different about this page, is it will look very similar to our client page. Right now there's not any graphics on this page, but we're working on getting those graphics on this page so you can see exactly who's doing well in your group and who's struggling. One of the coolest features of Habit Catalyst is our reporting function. This allows you to see three different things. One, if your client has not checked in for a consecutive number of days. Two, how well your clients are doing. And three, if any of your clients are struggling. And you can set the parameters for all these. Right now we have it set at 3 consecutive days. So if a client does not check in for 3 consecutive days, they show up on this list. Very easy to email them. You click on their name, it pulls up your email service. You can shoot them a quick email. We have it set up for 60% right now, so if a client has answered yes less than 60% of the time, or less than a 60% compliance, they will show up on this list. You'll see them right here in red. And then finally, if a client is doing really, really well, right now we have it set at 75%, they will show up on this list, and we can also email them to let them know how well they're doing. All these features are modifiable. And right up here in overview settings, you can change what these are. So if you want to make it 4 days or 5 days, you're able to do that. Another cool feature about this is the software will automatically email you if you would like. Right now we have it set up so it does not email. None of these boxes are checked. But if you wanted to email you every Monday, it would email you that exact report on the previous page. You don't even have to log into the software. You can email people directly from the report. The links are still clickable. So we're trying to make this as easy as possible for the trainers. The bread and butter of Habit Catalyst is the education system. And this is what we call our suites. So suites are like a fat loss suite, a muscle building suite. Suite is a number of habits paired with a number of lessons. So we'll show you what that looks like. Let's say we want to create a new suite, brand new from scratch. Let's call it the Get Jacked suite. Now I want to add a habit to that suite. It'll be the breakfast habit. The question is, did you eat breakfast today? This is what will show up. This will be the question that will be prompted to the client every day. And then the imperative is what we want the client to do. So eat a big breakfast today. Now, with that habit, we want to add some lessons to help reinforce it. So the importance of breakfast could probably be a good lesson. We would say how long that lesson would last. Are they going to see that lesson for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 days? This will impact the length of the habit as well. So we type in some stuff here. Eat breakfast every day. And there's some cool features here. You can bold, underline, change the size of fonts, add in pictures, add in tables. Lots of things you can do here to customize those lessons. And if I want to add another lesson, maybe it's have a protein shake, or we'll call it the protein shake lesson. Set the length of days, and then type in some info here. Now we're going to save this suite. We're going to create it. And we'll show you what the finished product looks like. So right in here we have our breakfast habit. We've got our 2 lessons. You can drag and drop these lessons very easily. So let's say I want the client to have the protein shake lesson before the importance of breakfast lesson. All you do is drag and drop. Same thing for the habit. So if we were to add a new habit, we can drag and drop that stuff as well. Going back to suites, there will be some pre-made content for you. We plan on making a 6 to 12 month fat loss suite or fat loss program that you can use and edit and change. So it's pretty simple. If you want to just tweak a few things, you can copy and edit. Really easy, really simple there. So those are some of the really cool features of Habit Catalyst. We're always looking for ideas, so if there's things that you would like to see as part of Habit Catalyst, please let us know. We're always looking for new ideas. but we're looking to launch in mid-January and we hope to see you on the list. Thanks.